So I'm sitting down here going through my follow-ups. It's that time of year. We're in a little bit of lull season right before it really pops off. So all those clients that, we sent quotes over the course of the last several months or, 6 months or so, I want to follow up with them, especially for the gutter cleaning individuals, because this would be a good opportunity to capture them as a client and hopefully get them on a reoccurring schedule every, uh, every 6 months or at least once a year for sure. So, anyways, I was down here doing some follow up, sending some text out and stuff. And please ignore the boxes, man. I just moved into my new spot. Shout out to my boy Mike Evans too. But I kind of started thinking about this one little small detail that I do, and I know a lot of you guys do. But when you're starting out brand spanking new, this one small detail really it elevates you, but it shows the client, the homeowner, the business owner that you really are a gutter protection business. You really are in the interest of protecting their gutters via gutter cleaning, repairs, guards, whatever it is you do. And what that thing is using a ladder stabilizer. Okay, I know that sounds silly and super minuscule, but that is a really big deal, because if you're taking a ladder, aluminum ladder, or even a fiberglass ladder, and you're leaning it on the side of the gutters, you are causing damage to the gutters. So you're leaving their gutter system in worse condition than if you would have used a ladder stabilizer. So ladders leaning on the gutters, especially if you're not sitting on top of one of the hangers or bracket in the gutter system, you have the potential to bend it in. And that's not going to look very professional. How are you going to call yourself a gutter protection business if you are inherently damaging the gutters? Plus, it's a beautiful sales tactic. Just tell a homeowner, like, hey, look, we're a gutter protection business, so obviously we're going to be using a ladder stabilizer going above onto the roof or under on the siding of the brick of the home, not on the actual gutters, causing any type of damage. And that's just going to make you look a little bit more premium, a little bit more experienced, and not so much like an amateur. So the moment you have enough money and you kind of accrued a few sales in your system, I'm going to recommend you get a ladder stabilizer. There's a slew of different ones that you can get. I'm a big fan of the quick release one. So the reason I like that is because I can quickly take it off of one ladder, put it on another, and I'm trying to be as frugal as possible, right? So if you don't want to do a quick release, then that's perfectly fine. But I like doing the quick release. That way I can move it to and fro different ladders. But the one that's really sweet that I've had in the past was called the corner buddy. It's yellow and it's got orange tips on it. And it kind of has a bent effect to it, so you can really put it on the side of a home. You can put it in a lot of different angles, like on the hip of a roof, and it will allow you to still have a good, strong foundation for your ladder as you go up to do some of your work. So, super small tip, guys. I know this, man, but get yourself a ladder stabilizer and be sure to use that in your sales pitches when you're telling homeowners about all the things that you're going to do for them, and how you're going to protect their gutters and leave them in a good quality working condition, right? So, I appreciate you guys, man. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If you're thinking about getting into the industry, go ahead and grab the Gutter Cleaning Business Toolkit in the link below. I appreciate you supporting the channel, man. And as always, keep them clean.